Hey everyone, just want to give a little update. We made it through our first day of cutting grass. Had a pretty good day, everything worked good. I'll put up some clips of things all throughout the day. Brianna made a little clip there later in the day, I think of wrapping. She made a few videos of things out baling and things. So anyway, I got the bale clam on the 3060. I tried out the 766 on the round baler. Tractor works awesome. It's a nice working tractor. Of course, a lot of you know I run a lot of different equipment, so I'm not really any brand specific per se. Some I like a little bit more than others, but as a rule, I'll run pretty well anything. It's a big adjustment getting, kind of running this one. I'm used to. I mean, I had that Agri King on this baler, 1690, 375. I've had the 3060 on it. The Agco is round baled. Out of all of them, this wouldn't rate my top tractor for round baling, but it works really well. Takes some getting used to, some different things on it. Of course, I like a power shift transmission. I like being able to shift. I can speed up, slow down as I want, baling, but the torque amplifier's cool, but it's not quite the same. Just kind of pick a gear and away you go. Loud is extremely loud. With a muffler on, I think it's just a cab. Not much of a cab, so it just holds in that noise. But with earmuffs on, you couldn't even turn the radio on the earmuffs to be able and still be able to hear the buzzer for the baler. So, but no, it works awesome. Great working tractor. Seems really quite well on fuel. So. Later on, we'll go into a little bit of comparison between that and my other tractors, but I don't know. I can't say which one's really my favorite. I'm not going to lie, that old Case Agri King 1070 is probably my favorite tractor for round baling. Mostly because you have that itching pedal clutch, so it's just like a feather touching it. Stop the tractor, you got the power shift transmission. Yeah. Pretty sweet tractor for round baling. This one worked well too, 3060. Just nice. It was higher. I like clearance. That's like with the 1070. You got such a high drawbar. Like it's way higher than that even. That's pretty high drawbar. Maybe not. That one there's kind of lowish. But anyways, it made it through the day. No breakdowns. And yeah, so we had to wrap everything. We only did, I don't know what it'd be over there, 4 acres probably. Knocked down, baled. Got my parts in for my corn planter. I guess I haven't, I got a video to post on that. I got to do up on that. Putting it back together. So I guess I haven't posted a video for a while. I made videos, I just haven't got them up. So it's all tore apart, all the finger units on it. Hey buddy, how you doing? So, I'm just going to show you a few things here, I guess. When I want to talk about, there's a little David Brown on the wrapper. They're talking about all this COVID stuff, and I mean, it's driving the price of everything so crazy. But I sent a fellow up yesterday. The main supplier I get my silage plastic from didn't have any plastic. Not in, supposed to be in, not in. I mean, we're already into halfway through June, no plastic. So, sent a guy up to the co-op, picked this up. Now, I picked up the exact same plastic last year. This is really aggravating. $102. I mean, sun film is probably, I don't really like using it because it's expensive. I like a little cheaper plastic. But anyways, $102. I set Mom up. I was doing some second cut. She picked me up some. Obviously, this isn't new stock. You can look at it. You can tell that's not new stock. $127 a roll. So they put it up that much from 102 to 127. It's $25. Put up $25 a roll, and it's just the same old stuff. So that's what really aggravates you. I understand things go up, like new stuff coming in. But it's like where our regular supplier is. They're not going to have any plastic. They don't have any plastic because of the sticky material that they use for making it stick. It comes from Ukraine. Obviously, that should have been here a year ago. I mean, the order should have been done a year ago for plastic, but Whatever. I guess you can't get it, so just how it is. But here comes see my piggies. And my little boys. Well, one boy, two gilts. Well, kids' pigs, I guess. Kind of got stuck with them. They're piggies. Yeah. So anyways, things like that kind of aggravate you. Fuel. I mean, everything. Just you can't even get parts. It's ridiculous, you know. But all you do is keep hammering along, doing the best you can. I mean, I started cutting haylage and I haven't even finished planting. Corn plant I tore apart, waiting for parts. Been waiting for parts 3 weeks. So, what are you doing? He sees the camera. He's all mad. He acts all mad. But so yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm gonna post some pictures of us out hanging, so a couple clips, and might have to make it even a 2-part video because I can't make very long ones. But anyways, you'll kind of get the picture how our first of the season went. So anyway, we'll talk at you later.